Does it see me? Baby girl. Hello. Okay, what will I press? Oh, it's on timer.
It's already recording.
Do you see me? Or let putol? Putol. You have to stoop. Stoop. Oh. Ganon. Daddy will film you na.
Wow. Oh, salt, pepper. Wala yun. Baby ala.
Ano? Stop. Do you see me? Ano mga to, be? Putol siya eh.
Anong putol?
Wala akong noo.
I'm dito.
Yan.
Yan. Ha? Sabi dyan. Ano gagawin?
What do you want daddy to do?
Yes, it's already videoing. I just want a full shot of it.
Okay. Madilim siya anak. You'll have to adjust. Din, i-enter mo yung password mo.
Do they have ketchup?
Hot sauce. Din, bakit tinira mo yan?
May coffee ka pa. Hindi pa ako. Look, it's 2 yolks.
2 eggs yun.
$5G pala to eh. Pwede.
You can't connect to the Wi-Fi?
Here.
Let's call tita. Tita. Ay, anak, din. Sabihin mo sa akin yung Wi-Fi network.
Okay, Malana at Kahuna, SSI.
Ha?
Password, all caps, Malana. At small caps, Kahuna.
Yung 5G o yung regular?
5G ako muna.
3G lang dito pala eh. Call tita.
Does my hair look okay?
Yeah.
I rushed hair drying.
Oh, anak, ang dami mo namang kalat.
May tignan. There's ketchup pala eh.
Where's the ketchup?
You have to ask.
You go there. Hindi ka nila papansin dyan.
Dragon. It's so fun.
Hey, I have sand.
Not the bits and part of the
You like the ham, Daddy?
I'm okay.
Didn't get me nga taho. Kaso we don't have money.
Ano ka naman? Ano naman natin kayo? Maghapon.
Tanongin mo si kuya kung may Gcash siya.
Uwe.
Oo nga. Anak, call kuya. Kuya! Nakuhin natin si kuya. Paano yung Gcash?
Baka.
Bank transfer lang.
May QR code po ako.
Is it focusing?
Yeah, autofocus.
Yung ham pa na ba yung ano niya? Ah.
Tignan mo si kuya. Ang ganda naman ng ala ko dito, oh. Hindi kailangan ng filter. Oh, with the lighting pa. Chus.
Again.
Again ka dyan. Kamukha ng tatay niya. Wow, meron pang emote na nakatingin sa dagat. Emote sa dagat, anak. Tingin sa dagat habang kumakain. Anak.
Face the sea.
Oh, wow.
Dito, what is there?
Ilang pera si Daddy?
Hindi, may tawagin mo sa kuya. Oh,
Maya,
serve pa ba eh? May kliyente pa.
Kapon.
Daddy does have wallet.
Cash on it.
Ay, dito, di ako sa swimming.
Yan natin tissue ko ba eh?
Saan?
Ay! Ay!
Wow.
Boss! Dali.
Ha? May Gcash ka? Wala. Meron. Meron, may Gcash. Sabi ko sa'yo, kala ko QR code pa meron eh. Maliit lang.
40 sir, dito.
Ikaw, 40, 50.
Mamaya, maghapon ka dito, no?
Hindi, Gcash nga meron siya.
Ayoko.
Ako meron ako.
Daddy,
Oh, di 40. 40 daw. 40 daw. Oo, ako lang. Ayaw daw niya eh.
What happened sa
Puro buhangin yung ulo ko. Sakto lang.
I remember in
Wait. May QR code siya. May QR code
we
yan.
asked
Tinanong ko eh.
saan nakatuloy sa isa.
So, diretso sa asawa ko to. Delikado to.
Diretso.
Oh, diretso.
Kasi, oh, yan.
Tama ba? Ay. 992. Ang dami.
09924555.
Dami yun.
Tatlong 9 po.
Sigurado ka?
Oo, tatlong 9. Isang bali.
Ayun. 40. Kawawa naman ang asawa mo dito. Thank you. Tutuwa asawa mo dito. May pera ka agad. Thank you. See? QR code?
For the foreigners.
nakikisabay ka dyan?
Texture siya ng...
How do I look?
May claimer.
Is my phone there? Oh, sorry.
Texture ng egg.
Hey, see what I look like, please. No,
Hindi kita anak, may reflection.
it's okay.
Oh, silip pa dito. Iya. That's kalokohan.
No, it's cute. It's like
Ah. Oh no, low battery for daddy.
no, you pictured the camera.
Wala, magre-reflect.
Yeah, no, like just the
Kita yung
camera.
daliri
Just
ko
the
naman.
camera.
Kita yung daliri ni daddy. Hindi kita anak talaga.
Pinapakita mo lang.
It's just 9:51.
Wow, 168 messages.
wardrobe malfunction with the dress.
Sira?
I don't know how to fix it. I mean, I don't know how to wear it. That's why I wear this instead. Look at the outfit. It's so cute.
Masyadong mataba kapag sa isa.
Ma. Taste. Matabang siya, hindi siya ganun ka. Hindi ka pinatamisan. Hmm?
I've eaten like how many eggs? What? I've eaten like how many eggs this week?
Nag-breakfast ka ba ng eggs?
Yeah.
When?
Chicken.
Oh yeah. Bacon. Baguio, nag-egg ka ba sa Baguio? Sa Lawag, wala.
Lawag, yeah.
Wow.
Anong breakfast
I
natin?
ate like this my third egg of the
Ilan na anong breakfast natin sa microwave?
There's scrambled egg.
Ay, oo. Wala pala. You did not get.
You get
Naka-record yan, bebe?
yeah.
Bakit? Mahaba. Okay.
Baka mapuno yung ano mo yan.
It's 128 gig.
Wow.
It still has my classmates in there. Both pasture and okay, I think you can pause. Bye!
Paano na ba ito i-post?
There's
The set?
wait.
Oh.